Why G.SKILL Trident Z5 Neo RGB DDR5 changes Ryzen builds forever. Ever felt like your PC is stuck in molasses, chugging through games or edits with all the grace of a tired sloth? You're not alone. Slow RAM can choke your Ryzen's potential. Drop your worst lag horror in the comments. Let's swap war stories. If sluggish performance kills your vibe, the G.SKILL Trident Z5 Neo RGB DDR5 might just spark your setup back to life. Picture midnight crunch time. Your Ryzen 7000 rig stumbles under heavy edits or gaming marathons, leaving you stressed and staring at loading bars. Burnout looms like a bad cliffhanger. But what if you could flip that script with RAM that hums at 6000 MT per second, keeping your flow tight? The G.SKILL Trident Z5 Neo RGB DDR5 promises to tame those bottlenecks without adding chaos. Comment speed if you're ready to ditch the lag. Say hello to the G.SKILL Trident Z5 Neo RGB DDR5, a 64GB, 2x32GB memory kit that's like a shot of adrenaline for AMD Ryzen 7000 builds. With blistering 6000 MT per second speeds and tight CL30, 40, 40, 96 timings, it's engineered to sync perfectly with Ryzen's memory controller, delivering buttery smooth performance that feels like gliding through workloads. Its AMD EXPO profile makes overclocking a one-click breeze, no BIOS wizardry needed. Picture Jake, a video editor drowning in 4K timelines, his old RAM choked, dropping frames like confetti. Swapping to Trident Z5 Neo, his rig now slices through edits, with vibrant RGB lighting adding a cool glow to his late-night grind. Those matte black heat spreaders? They dissipate heat like a pro, keeping stability rock solid. Dual-channel 64GB capacity means multitasking without a hiccup, whether gaming or rendering. Curious about the sensory kick? Imagine the soft hum of a rig running flawlessly, RGB pulsing in sync with your playlist. Here's a mini win. A pro streamer used this kit to run OBS, Discord, and a AAA game simultaneously, zero stutters. Stick around for a bonus EXPO tweak that'll make your setup sing. This G.SKILL Trident Z5 Neo RGB DDR5 isn't just RAM. It's a performance revolution that sharpens your focus and skyrockets efficiency. Gamers get higher frame per second and silky 1% lows, while creators breeze through Premiere or Blender without a hitch. The 64GB capacity future-proofs your rig, handling multiple apps like a seasoned maestro. A PC hardware expert raved, this kit's 6000 MT per second and CL30 timings are the sweet spot for Ryzen. Zero hassle, pure performance. A tech influencer added, EXPO worked instantly on my Asus board. The RGB is a visual treat. Industry analysts note, G.SKILL nails Ryzen optimization with EXPO and 64GB capacity, perfect for power users. A content creator shared, my editing rig's now a beast. 4K timelines load instantly. Gamers chime in, my 1% lows jumped, making Apex feel like butter. Worried it's too niche? Nope. This kit's plug-and-play ease suits pros and enthusiasts alike, with RGB flair to boot. Feel that tingle of a rig hitting peak performance. It's RGB dancing like a digital aurora. Which features your game changer? Speed, capacity, or looks? Comment below and let's geek out. See why thousands are obsessed with this kit's seamless power. Limited stock alert. The G.SKILL Trident Z5 Neo RGB DDR5 is flying off shelves as Ryzen builders grab this 64GB beast. Join thousands who've ditched lag for lightning-fast renders and gaming. One user said, it's like my PC got a new soul. Struggling with slow RAM? This could be your fix. Click now to snag yours and unlock a secret BIOS tip for extra speed. Comment yes for the exclusive tweak. Don't just watch, supercharge your Ryzen today.